Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Doors. This popular horror game challenges you to navigate a mysterious hotel, facing various entities and puzzles. We'll cover everything from the basic mechanics to advanced survival strategies, ensuring you're well prepared for the spooky adventure ahead. Get ready to learn how to conquer the hotel's many floors and emerge victorious, perhaps even with your friends by your side. Your main goal in Roblox Doors is to reach door 100, but it's not as simple as it sounds. Each of the many doors you encounter will present unique challenges and potential dangers. You'll need to explore every room carefully, searching for helpful items and clues. Remember, working together with your teammates is absolutely essential for navigating the hotel's treacherous halls and surviving the lurking threats. To survive, you must learn to identify and react quickly to the various entities that inhabit the hotel. Creatures like rush and ambush have distinct behaviors, and knowing them is key. Utilize closets and other hiding spots to avoid detection when danger approaches. Keep an eye out for useful items such as lighters, lockpicks, and vitamins. Always listen for crucial audio cues to anticipate incoming threats and stay safe. Mastering Roblox Doors takes practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't succeed on your first few attempts. Effective communication with your team is vital. Share information about items and entity sightings. Remembering the patterns and behaviors of different entities will give you a significant advantage. Most importantly, embrace the thrill of discovery and the satisfaction of overcoming each new challenge. Have fun exploring the mysteries within the hotel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.